How to change the format of video clips in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project or create a new one. Then, import a video clip you want to change by dragging it into the media pool. Next, go to the Media tab and right-click on the clip. Select Clip Attributes from the menu. Here you can change important details like the pixel aspect ratio and frame rate, but the actual format conversion happens during export. So after editing, switch to the Deliver page where you export your video. In the Render Settings panel, you will find options for format and codec. Click on the Format drop-down to choose the desired video format such as MP4, MOV, or AVI. After selecting the format, you can adjust the codec to control the compression and quality of your video. Common choices include H.264 for MP4 and ProRes for MOV. Make sure to set the resolution and frame rate according to your needs before starting the export. Finally, name your file, choose the destination folder, and click Add to Render Queue. Then, hit Render All to export your clip in the new format. And that's it. Now you know how to change the format of video clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.